We have seen 4 different types of vegetable fabric: cotton, linen, jute, and rami. Let's move to our next natural type of fabric, that is animal. There are 2 types: silk and wool. It happened. There was a king in China who has a beautiful daughter. One day she was having a tea in their garden. Before taking a sip, something fallen in her tea and it became a white fluid. People around her started thinking that someone is trying to kill her with the poison. King got this information. He got angry. He started finding out what it is. Then they got to know that it's an insect fallen from a mulberry tree. The next question is, why it is becoming a white fluid then, when it's coming in a contact with hot water? This question given us a silk fabric, ladies and gentlemen. There might be a different stories, similar stories, but silk is an accidentally discovered material. On those days, Chinese kings were kept this silk fabric as a secret. They used this beautiful, shiny, lightweight fabric and kept it secret to the world. But later on, it revealed. These insects are called silkworms. They eat a mulberry tree leaf and make a cocoon. Silk is the strongest natural fiber. It should be a dry cleaned only. Silk is a shiny, lightweight and smooth material. It has an excellent drape, means when we wear silk cloth, it takes a body shape perfectly. Let's move to our next animal type of fabric, that is wool. Wool is made from hairs of a goat or sheep. As we all know, this is thick and warm-giving fabric. Wool is a wrinkle resistant, but it has a peeling problems. It has a better drape. When we wear this, it takes a body shape perfectly. Costliest and finest wools are extracted from 3 types of goats. Let's understand this. First type is Vicuna. This is from a camel family and gives the finest wool in the world. This goat is very rarely found and produced wool is very costly. Kashmiri goat. The wool we get from this goat is called as Kashmiri wool or Pashmina wool. This is soft and very lightweight. You might have seen or heard that one whole shawl can pass through a ring, which is also called as Pashmina ring test. If you want to confirm that if wool is original Pashmina, then you can check out it with this test. But this ring test can also be wrong sometimes. So there is another test to see if the Pashmina is original or not. Sometimes sellers sell nylon or plastic like shawl saying it is Pashmina. Here we can take some threads from the cloth and burn it. If it's burning like plastic, then it's not a Pashmina. If it's burning and becoming a powder, then we can be sure that it is Pashmina. Our third, last and costliest wool producer goat is Angora goat. The wool produced from this goat is also called as mohair. This is wrinkle resistant, lightweight and warmth giving fabric. And with this we came to end of animal type of fabrics.